my practical exam for this class. In this section, I'll be showing you how to convert hexadecimal to decimal. Now, the first thing you want to do is find out the amount of characters that you're dealing with. In this case, we are dealing with a 5-character problem: 3, 6, 7, B, and A. Now, before we start anything, you may notice that not all of these are numbers. There's a reason for that. This is because hexadecimal is a 16-base language, so you got your numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, but as soon as you get to that 10, it starts going into letters. So it would be 9, A, B, C, D, E, and F. So all those numbers and letters combined together make 16 characters. So that's why it's called a 16-base language. Now, with that being said, we have 5 characters in this problem. Now, a general rule of thumb for this is you want to use an exponent one number lower than the amount of characters that you're dealing with. So since we have 5 characters in this problem, the highest exponent we're going to be dealing with is a 4. So what you want to do is take all the numbers in your problem, all the numbers, characters in your problem, and put an exponent to it. So in this case, 3 would go to 16 over 16 to the 4th power, 6 would go to 16 to the 3rd power, and so on and so forth. Once you establish an exponent to each character, what you want to do is take the exponent and multiply it by 3. Now, I've taken the liberty of breaking down each exponent to its decimal form. It's mostly to show my work. But, however, that being said, you take the decimal answer and you multiply it by 3, and you keep on recording the results. You work your way down the line, 16 to the 3rd power times 6. Then you get the result for that, and you keep rinse, washing, and repeating for each number until you get everything here, and you pretty much finished every character that you can. Once that happens, you take all of these numbers right here that you gathered, and then you add them up, and then down here is the result that you get. Now, this system is the same for any problem you do. I don't care how big it is, I don't care how small it is. I'll show you another example of what I'm talking about. Right here, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 characters. So that means you would start out for your highest exponent, 16 to the 5th power. So every exponent is put with a corresponding character. 16 to the 5th power is the 4, 16 to the 4th power is the 5, and then so on and so forth. You take the exponent, you multiply it by its corresponding character, and you record the results. And you keep on going down the line until you get right to the end. Once you have everything solved, you add it up, you get the answer. For all the problems here, you just rinse, wash, and repeat. The exact same steps, the exact same way. The mechanics don't change, just maybe the length of the problem. Nothing has changed. As you can see right here, exact same thing. Get the character, match it up with the exponent, multiply exponent by character, get the results, add everything up, then get the answer. Right here. As you can see, exact same format. Even in the next one right here I'm about to show you. Let me pull it up real fast. Now, as you can see, you may notice a labeling system above the exponents. That doesn't really have any importance per se to the overall problem. It's more to help me organize. Now, you can do anything you want to organize these problems. That's entirely up to you. But as for me, I like labeling things by letters because it's just easier to keep track of and the numbers get really, really huge. So that is my way of doing it. And as you can see, all my problems are done the exact same way. Get the exponent, correspondent with a character, multiply exponent by character, get results, go down the line, and get everything labeled, add up everything here, get the answer. And it doesn't matter how big the problem. And also, remember, for the amount of characters that you're dealing with, the exponent should be always one. The highest exponent that you have should always be one less than the amount of characters that you're dealing with. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 characters. Your highest exponent should be a 5, working your way from left to right. And that is it for part 1 of this series. Stay tuned for the other 5 parts of this practical exam. Thank you and have a good day.